at this application here, which is called Ocean AI. Very simple AI application. Let me show you how to use it. This is pretty much the end screen of the application. Nothing hard for you to not understand. So this AI application offers a lot of assistance as relates to everything. As you can see here, there's a lot of things that this AI application can do. Dating advisor, social media assistant, language instructor, book summary. Some of these features do require a premium subscription. Do keep in mind. So let's say, for example, I'm going to use the AI to create a logo for me. I can tap on the discovery mode here, and I can also search the creativity section, and there's an AI that creates AI logos. So I can just tap on open there, and I can either choose any one of these. Let's say graphic logo, tap on next here, also enter the prompt, and it will pretty much give me some quick prompts. Let's say I want it for my coffee store. Can tap on that option, and it will give me a different prompt. And at the top here, you may see a circle icon. You can just tap on that. If you don't like that prompt, you can always use that one. And if, let's say, for example, you want to enter your own prompt, you can just tap on the X icon there and enter your own prompt here. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And we have quite a lot of features. Let's say education information. Education let's say related to a math problem. Can get with the math teacher AI. I can open where you upload an image by tapping the plus icon here. You can upload an image of a math question and send it to AI. AI will pretty much help you solve it. So for that option here at the top, you can also change the AI model that you're using. So the bigger the AI model, the better the results. As you can see, you pretty much have all the top AI models that you can think of. The DeepSeek, chat, everything, guys, everything. So based on what you're doing, I do recommend it to select the AI models based on what you're doing. So do make sure you research on each AI model that is showing you. So once you select the AI model, just tap on continue, and you're pretty much good to go. So you can either let the AI read it out loud for you, or if you don't like the answer, you can always tap on the circle icon here, and it will pretty much give a different answer. And you can also copy it using the two icons there, and copy the information. And as well, if you're tired of typing, you can always send a voice note to the AI, and it will just pretty much give you an answer as it relates to that. So that's pretty much it for the application. Everything is the same way. Everything operates the same. So it's all up to you to what you want with this application. So at the top, you can pretty much search for AI feature you want within the application, and it will pretty much be there. So at the top here, you may see five stars, 5-star icon with 5 there. If you're first time using the application, that is pretty much where you go to get your subscription. As I can see here is limitation because I don't have a subscription. So you can always get a 3-day free trial. Make sure you enable the free trial mode. Once you have the free trial, you can pretty much try all their pro features and message them back as much as you want. So as you can see, the prices and everything for the subscription. So that's pretty much it for this. And over here you have the history section, which you pretty much go to check on your information that you have asked AI. You can also go back and check on that information. And as well, if I tap on the AI Pro option here, it will give me a different subscription page as well. So do keep in mind this will increase the answers that the AI have given you. So it's different from the one at the top. So that's pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, please comment below. Glad enough to help you guys. And with all that, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.